Thank you very much, the Honorable Mother Wangari KARUA, and your family, your father, your mother, and the people of Kimunye for welcoming us here, for feeding us well, for the warm welcome. And we are indeed very, very grateful. I came with my wife, Pastor Dorcas, and several leaders. And we came here on a courtesy call to the Honorable Mother KARUA, a distinguished leader of this republic, a defender of human rights, a senior counsel, an experienced public servant who has led a distinguished service to this republic. I came calling on the Iron Lady of this great country because where we are as a country, we need to reach out, to get counsel, to get advice, to pull our mights together, to put our resources together for the liberation of this great country. You all know where we are as a country. Every Kenyan is crying. The payslip holders, their payslips have been raided. Businesses have been shut down. There is no money in circulation. There is a lot of intolerance and repression. I was checking the other day in Nairobi, in Nyamakema. 2 years ago, goodwill for a shop was 20 million. Today, all shops have closed. The shop owners are not asking for any goodwill. They just tell you, take the shop and pay us whatever you can. That is where we are as a country. And it calls upon great men and women of courage and resilience to rise up and lead the people of Kenya into liberation. Therefore, our coming here could not have been more appropriate. We have come to the right place because the Honorable Mother KARUA has a great history of liberation. She has fought for the dignity of the Kenyan people. She has fought for freedoms of the Kenyan people. She has insisted on respect for human rights and good governance. It is for that reason that we came on calling. Many people may wonder because the Honorable Mother KARUA and I were opponents in the last election. She was running mate to Raila Odinga, was running mate to William RUTO, and probably people thought that we cannot come together. But where we are as a country, we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. All of us must come together, men and women of integrity and who mean well for this country.